Once upon a time, in a small village by the river, there lived a little girl named Maya. Maya was a curious and adventurous girl, and she loved to explore the world around her. One day, Maya's parents told her not to go near the river because it was dangerous. But Maya didn't listen. She wanted to see what was on the other side of the river, and she thought she was old enough to take care of herself. So, Maya snuck away from her parents and ran towards the river. She climbed over the fence that her parents had put up to keep her safe and ran down to the river's edge. The water looked cool and inviting, and Maya couldn't resist the temptation to wade in. She splashed around and had a great time until she stepped on a slippery rock and lost her balance. Maya fell into the river and started to panic. She couldn't swim very well, and the current was strong. She shouted for help, but no one was around to hear her. Just when Maya thought she was going to drown, she felt a strong pair of arms lift her out of the water. It was her father, who had followed her down to the river and saw that she was in trouble. Maya's father carried her back to the safety of the village and scolded her for not listening to him. He told her that he and her mother only wanted to keep her safe, and that she should always listen to them. Maya realized that her father was right. She apologized and promised to always listen to him and her mother in the future. From then on, Maya made sure to listen to her parents and follow their rules. She knew that they only had her best interests at heart. Maya learned an important lesson that day: it's important to listen to our parents because they have our best interests at heart and want to keep us safe. The end.